Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Study Delight. Welcome to another video of current affairs for 19th November. So today we are going to discuss some current affairs, and the PDF of this video is in description. If you like this video, then please like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel and share this video. So let's start this video. First question: Kalainagar Karunanidhi Breakfast Scheme 2020 has been launched by which state government? Answer is option number D, Puducherry. Puducherry government has launched Kalainagar Karunanidhi Breakfast Scheme 2020 to provide food absolutely free of cost to school students. The scheme has been named after former Tamil Nadu Chief Minister and DMK President Kalainar M. Karunanidhi for government and government aided school students, and the Chief Minister is V. Narayanaswamy. Question number 2. Which district bagged the Union Jal Shakti Ministry Award 2019 for water conservation efforts? Answer is option number D, Kadapa. Kadapa district has bagged the Union Jal Shakti Ministry's award for water conservation efforts. Last year, the centre had selected 255 drought-hit districts to take up water conservation project. The centre had promised to honour the districts which implement the programs as per the mandate. LED by Collector Chevuri Harikiran and District Water Management Authority DWMA Project Director Yadu Bhushan Reddy, the administration rolled out different works in the 13 mandals with poor groundwater reserves. Question number 3. How many Ramsar sites are there in India? Answer is option number B, 41. There are 41 Ramsar sites in India as per 13 November 2020. These are wetlands deemed to be of international importance under the Ramsar Convention. According to WWF India, wetlands are one of the most threatened of all ecosystems in India. Loss of vegetation, salinization, excessive inundation, water pollution, invasive species, excessive development and road building have all damaged the country's wetlands. As of November 2020, there are 41 recognized Ramsar sites in India. Question number 4. On World Pneumonia Day, the Department of Health and Family Welfare launched the SANS campaign in which state? Answer is option number A, Odisha. The Department of Health and Family Welfare launched the SANS in full form Social Awareness and Action to Neutralize Pneumonia Successfully campaign for reducing the overall burden of childhood pneumonia in Odisha state. Pneumonia is one of the topmost killers of under 5 children, contributing to 14% of under 5 mortality. The SANS campaign will be spread over 3.5 months starting from 12 November 2020 to 28 February 2021. Question number 5. On the occasion of which leader's birth anniversary Jharkhand celebrates its foundation day? Answer is option number C, Birsa Munda. Jharkhand, the land of forest, is celebrating its 19th year of constitution on November 15. The state celebrates its foundation day on the occasion of the birth anniversary of tribal leader Birsa Munda, who is also known as Bhagwan Birsa, who played a vital role in India's struggle for freedom. So this is the image of Birsa Munda, and on his birth anniversary, Jharkhand celebrates its foundation day. So let's move on with the next question. Question number 6. Aryana Sabalenka has entered in the top 10 of the WTA rankings by overtaking which player? Answer is option number A, Serena Williams. By reaching the final, Sabalenka will enter the top 10 of the WTA rankings for the first time, overtaking Serena Williams. Top seeds Aryana Sabalenka and Elise Mertens had 3 set wins to advance to the final of the session ending Upper Australia Ladies Linz on Saturday. The 11th ranked Sabalenka outlasted Barbora Krejcikova by 7-5, 4-6, 6-3, and Mertens rallied to defeat Ekaterina Alexandrova by 2, 2 by 6, 6 by 1, and 7 by 5. Sabalenka and Mertens are regular double partners on the tour. So this is the image of Aryna Sabalenka, and she has recently came to the top 10 rankings so of the WTA ranking by defeating Serena Williams. So let's move on with the next question. Question number 7. On whose birth anniversary the World Diabetes is being celebrated annually? Answer is option number A, Frederick Banting. It is marked every year on 14 November, the birthday of Sir Frederick Banting, who co-discovered insulin along with Charles Best in 1922. WDD is the world's largest diabetes awareness campaign, reaching a global audience of over 1 billion people in more than 160 countries. So this is the image of Frederick Banting, and on his birth anniversary is that 14 November, the World Diabetes Day is being celebrated every year on 14 November, and 14 November is also Children's Day, and this year Diwali is also held on 14 November. So question number 8. Which agency successfully tested quick reaction missile? Answer is option number D, Defense Research and Development Organization, in short DRDO. It carried out a successful test of quick reaction surface to air missile system on Friday. The missile hit its target directly during the test. The missile took launch place from ITR Chandipur of the Odisha coast. The missile is propelled by a single stage solid propellant rocket motor and uses all indigenous subsystems. So recently DRDO agency successfully tested quick reaction missile. Question number 9. Who won recently Moldova presidential elections? As everybody knows this, that recently in Moldova there are presidential elections, and Maia Sandu has won the presidential elections. She has won the Moldova presidential election after a runoff vote against the incumbent Igor Dodon. Mrs. Sandhu has won 57.7% of the vote as compared to Mr. Dodon 42.2%. Sandhu is a former World Bank economist who favors closer ties with the European Union. Mr. Dodon, meanwhile, is openly backed by Russia. And some important points about Moldova is the capital of Moldova is Chisinau, and the currency of Moldova is Moldovan leu. And the president of Moldova is Maia Sandu. So let's move on with the next question. Okay, this is the image of Maia Sandu, and she recently won the Moldova presidential elections. Question number 10. Who received the 2020 UNESCO Mandanjit Singh Prize? Answer is option number C, Center Resolution Conflicts. Center Resolution Conflicts, Center for Resolution of Conflicts, CRC, Democratic Republic of Congo, to receive UNESCO Mandanjit Singh Prize 2020. The UNESCO Mandanjit Singh Prize for the promotion of tolerance and non-violence rewards significant activities in the scientific, artistic, cultural and communication fields which aimed at the promotion of a spirit of tolerance and non-violence. Question number 11. Which of the following institutes hosted the virtually launch of the Consumer Culture Lab? Answer is option number B, IIT Udaipur. IIT Udaipur hosted the virtual launch of the Consumer Culture Lab, which is exclusively dedicated to provide accessible insights related to consumer behavior in India. The lab aims to bring together perspectives from anthropology, sociology, and psychology to understand complicated lives of Indian consumers. It aspires to create and disseminate knowledge for both the academic and non-academic practitioners interested in understanding Indian consumers. Question number 12. What is the theme for World Day of Remembrance for Road Traffic Victims 2020? Answer is option number A, first responders. Every year, third Sunday in November is observed as World Day of Remembrance for Road Traffic Victims. In 2020, the World Day of Remembrance for Road Traffic Victims was observed on November 15. The theme for World Day of Remembrance for Road Traffic Victims 2020 is First Responders. It recognizes the selfless men and women who rescue, care for support victims of road trauma. It is a day to remember the many million killed and injured in road accidents. It is also a day to thank emergency services for their diligent service. So, the theme for World Day of Remembrance for Road Traffic Victims 2020 was First Responders. Question number 12. Which section of WHO Executive Board chaired by Union Minister for Health and Family Welfare? So please answer this question in the comments. And as you know everybody, this was the last question for this video, and I hope you like this video. Please like this video, subscribe this channel and share this video, and thanks for watching.